Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how I programmed a dynamic single product view page for my Skillshop marketplace platform. This page loads complete information about a skill or course, including product information, category, reviews, and ratings, number of enrolled students, related courses, and the seller or instructor information. All the data on this page is loaded dynamically from the database using PHP and MySQL. The page also handles authentication checks, watchlist status, cart status, and purchase status. Now let's go to the code. At the very top of the page, we start the session. Session allows us to track the currently logged in user. Then we include the database connection file, which allows this page to run queries using the database search method. Next, we check whether the user authentication status exists. If the session is not properly set, we run the auth check script. This script verifies the remember me login token and automatically logs the user back in if a valid cookie exists. This allows users to stay logged in even after refreshing the page. Here we store the important session information in variables. $logged in tells us whether the user is currently logged in. User role variable identifies the account type such as buyer or seller, and user ID variable stores the current user's database ID. We will use these variables later to control cart list and enrollment logic. Next, we retrieve the product ID from the URL. This interval function converts the value into an integer to prevent an invalid input. If the product ID is missing or invalid, the user is redirected back to the search products page. This is the main query of the page. Here we retrieve product information, category name, seller or instructor information. We use SQL joins to combine multiple tables. The product table stores the skill details. The category table stores the category name. The user tables stores the seller or instructor information. This allows us to display both product and instructor data on the same page. Here, we check whether the products exist in the database. If no matching product is found, the user is redirected back to the search page. This prevents users from accessing invalid or deleted products. Next, we calculate the product rating statistics. This query calculates the average rating, the total number of reviews. These values will be used to display the rating stars and review counts. This query calculates how many students purchased the course. We count the distinct user IDs from the order table. Here we retrieve the latest reviews for these products. Each review includes rating, comment, reviewer name, review date. We limit the results to 8 reviews to keep the page fast. This query calculates seller statistics. We'll calculate total courses created by the seller, total students enrolled in the seller's courses, average rating across all courses. These values will appear in the instructor card. This query retrieves other courses from the same instructor. These are displayed under the More by this instructor section. Showing related courses helps increase course discovery and sales. Here, we check whether the current user already purchased this course. If the user already bought this course, the Enroll button changes. The page displays already enrolled. This prevents duplicate purchases. Next, we check whether the product is already inside the watch list. Similarly, we check if the product already exists in the shopping cart. This allows the interface to update the button text dynamically. Here we simply combine the seller's first name and last name. This variable will be used throughout the page when displaying the instructor information. This section displays the seller or instructor profile. It includes instructor name, join date, number of courses, total students, instructor rating. This displays how many courses the instructor created. Finally, we use a small JavaScript function to render star ratings dynamically. This function creates 5 stars and fills them based on the rating values. This improves the visual representation of course ratings. So, this page integrates multiple database queries to load product information, reviews, student counts, related courses, and instructor in statistics. Thank you for watching.